Is there such a thing as acceptable errors when writing business content? The short answer is yes. The reason is that no one is perfect. There is no contract, no article, no information that you can't find a mistake in if you look hard enough. Plus, some mistakes are in the eyes of the beholder. Grammar, please be damned. Mistakes happen, and sometimes they're on purpose to make a point. However, the fact that it's okay to make mistakes doesn't mean you shouldn't work hard to avoid them. There are things that you can do to edit your content to avoid the most commonly made errors. You could take an email and read it out loud. When you finish a piece of content, try reading it out loud. If you trip on words or you can't get through a sentence easily, work on them until you can. If you change anything, read the entire thing again. Maybe you use a particular word too often. Run a search for that word so that you can make the necessary changes. If you know that sometimes you mix up the meaning of words like accept and accept, double check and correct if necessary. You need to ensure that each bullet point matches up with what you stated. Also, make sure that the bullet point makes sense in the order they're in. Sometimes people have a tendency to mix up points. Also, use contractions. Many people try to write in a formal way, even though most people don't talk that way. This is a mistake because people use contractions in normal everyday language, and you won't sound natural if you stop using them in your writing. Don't forget to check for common errors. A few common errors could be, for example, using to and to, or its, and so forth. Check all these types of words to ensure that they're being used correctly. It really is a good idea to find someone you can count on to go over any business content before you publish it. Another pair of eyes, or a second opinion, will help you avoid both silly and serious mistakes. Most of all, be yourself, write how you talk, and you'll be fine.